Steven Universe, episodes 74 and 75. This kind of batch of episodes to me is like, why was this not the finale to season 2 and not the beginning of season 3? I don't know, it just feels kind of awkward that it's right in the middle of season 3. We have Superman on Watermelon Island, so this episode is about Steven. He has a dream in the body of a watermelon Steven that Malachite's on this island, and so the gems warp down there to deal with it. And so they go down and deal with that. But the Earth is shaking violently, and they're worried about the cluster happening, so they want Peridot and Steven to stay behind, just in case things get ugly and they might have to actually use the drill. But Steven decides, well, I'm going to go in my dream, possess a watermelon Steven, and then I'm going to go help them. And so he does. They defeat Malachite. Jasper falls in the center of the Earth. They have Lapis. And they're just going to get home off screen, I guess. You know, Gem Drill picks up immediately after that. Steven and Peridot go into the center of the Earth. They have a really heartfelt conversation about how, while Peridot misses Earth, she has a new family now, in a way. And she's very happy here on Earth, but she's always going to miss her home. Which is basically how Pearl, Garnet, and well, I guess not, Amethyst, I'm sorry, I was looking for the name, my brain. But yeah, she doesn't feel that way, but, you know, the other two, you get that's how they feel. And now they're, home. And so, I don't know, it's really cool stuff. And then Steven bubbles the cluster and makes them all live in the company of each other instead of destroying the cluster. Which is a really cool, neat idea. I do think it is so funny sometimes, though, that this show always takes the piecemeal out of it, and I almost feel like, yeah, but we can't always do that sometimes. And I hope one thing about my dog, that Lars of the Stars does better with this show is that because it's about Lars, maybe it won't always go to the peaceful resolutions. I think peaceful resolutions are great, and it's an optimistic view of the world that we should have, but there also sometimes needs to be not always the peaceful resolutions, even if I do really enjoy a lot of this stuff. So let me know your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.